DOJ Secretary Alfonso Cusi has been expelled from PDP-Laban by Senator Manny Pacquiao and his allies. Cusi was expelled for alleged violation of the party's constitution for showing allegiance to a political party apart from PDP-Laban. Cusi just shrugged it off, saying Pacquiao is clearly misguided. Pacquiao maintains the PDP-Laban's National Assembly on July 17 is illegal, even if it's authorized by the party's chair, President Rodrigo Duterte. Cusi was expelled together with PDP-Laban Deputy Secretary General Melvin Matibag and Membership Committee Head Astra Naik. According to Matibag, their expulsion is just a strategy of Pacquiao and his allies to hype their status in the media.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.